So that's the pineapple, guys. Here in my sink, I'm gonna wash it, run the tap. That's the tap. So I'm gonna wash it. Okay. So I'm gonna break the head away. Take the head out, put in the food bin, then wash this. Can you see it? You can use the skin. It's washed now. This is the carrot chopped. That is the ginger. That is the lime. And that is the pineapple. Sorry, I didn't show you when I was peeling the pineapple. I just forgot to video it, okay? So I started blending now. Put my pineapple in my juicer machine. That's how this one works. Okay. So those are the chaff from the pineapple, ginger. Okay. So in here, I'm gonna be putting my lime juice in there. Okay. Now it's ready. It's ready. That is my pineapple, ginger, and carrot drink. Can you see that?